Hey everybody, and welcome to Animal Planet Videos. In this video, we will discover the top 10 most dangerous ocean creatures. Make sure to watch until number 1, because it's one of the most dangerous ocean creatures in the world. Let's get right into it. Number 10, Stingray. The stingray is one of the animals that are among the most dangerous ones in all oceans. Stingrays can be found everywhere, from warm water to cold water, from the beaches to deep waters until 2,000 feet. However, this creature is very different from sharks, as it cannot attack or bite people, as they do not have any sharp teeth. Their most dangerous part is their spike, which can cause puncture wounds with venom that may cause pain to people. Stingrays usually attack people when they step on them. Their punctures are fatal for fishes, but they usually only cause harm to humans. Although they cannot kill you, some stingray species have venom that is composed of several toxins that affect the blood coagulation process and can lead to excessive bleeding that can cause serious injuries that will need medical attention. Number 9, Lionfish. The lionfish are venomous marine fish found in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. They are members of the scorpiofish family and are recognized by their long, striped bodies with reddish-brown to maroon-colored fins. Lionfishes have many long, sharp spines that help them defend themselves against predators. Their venom is produced by glands at the base of these spines and can cause painful stings or even death. The long, thin, needle-like part is actually an extended tooth that rotates into position when the fish feels threatened. When not in use, all of its venomous spines lay flat along its body. They can be found along reef walls and sandy ledges in small groups that only come together during mating season. They swim using a strong finned action and often hover above the ocean floor as they look for prey such as shrimp and smaller fish. Lionfish are beautiful, but venomous fish. They can cause deadly stings to humans, even though they aren't aggressive by nature. If you do come across one, remember that you should avoid touching them, because spines carry venom. Number 8, Barracuda. Barracudas are large, streamlined fish found worldwide in subtropical and tropical seas from the surface to 100 meters deep. They are most abundant near the coast, around coral reefs, and in brackish water. They are generally dark green, gray, or blue on their upper body, with silvery sides and often bright yellow caudal and dorsal fins. They are ferocious hunters and are one of the fastest in the sea. Although they cannot maintain the highest speed for long distances, they are capable of swimming up to 35 miles per hour. The barracuda is reputed to be one of the most dangerous fish in the sea. Members of this dangerous fish group swim very aggressively and will attack anything they perceive as a threat. Although it rarely attacks humans, they have been known to attack divers when they have been provoked. They usually hunt in schools. Barracuda are relentless hunters when hunting alone, and some reports claim when they are hunting in groups, they can even attack animals such as sea lions and dolphins. Number 7, sea snakes. The sea snakes are highly venomous snakes that are found mainly in the sea. This species is divided into several subspecies. Some can even live on land, while some others prefer to stay in the sea. They have flattened heads with vertical, oval eyes on the top of their heads. They have reduced fangs that are beneficial for sea snakes, since they only feed on fish, meaning they do not require long fangs to catch their prey. Sea snakes also have a long, slim body that is specifically designed for swimming in the sea. The sea snake's venom is injected by its sharp teeth, which are located at the front of the upper jaw, between the crowns of the snake's 6 maxillary teeth. Their venom acts on the victim's nervous system and can kill a human being in a matter of hours. But keep calm, they rarely bite humans, because their fangs are not big enough to puncture the skin. So that's why they're regarded as least dangerous among venomous snakes. Number 6, cone snail. The cone snail is a genus of predatory sea snail, which, like all the other members of the Canidae family, are venomous. They can be found all over the world, ranging from shallow water to depths of more than 20,000 feet. They are typically 30 to 40 millimeters long. The larger species are often sought for their attractive, intricate shell patterns, and sometimes sold in the thousands to shell collectors throughout the world. They are dangerous hunters, which inject paralyzing venom to immobilize their prey before eating them, and sometimes can attack humans. The venom of these species is among the most deadly in the animal kingdom. Its venom acts extremely fast, causing paralysis in the prey in seconds, and a drop of their venom can kill up to 20 humans. Cone snails are capable of eating prey much larger than their mouth would suggest, by using a harpoon-like tooth tucked away in the back of their mouth. The tooth has a small barb that locks the snail into its prey, and once the fish or other prey is subdued, the snail begins to slowly pull the prey into its mouth. Number 5. Stonefish. Stonefish are a unique species of fish that can be found in the waters around Australia, Indonesia, and Malaysia. They are highly venomous creatures that blend into their surrounding environment. Stonefish can grow to be over 30 centimeters in length and weigh up to 2 kilograms. It is renowned for its ability to camouflage itself well with rocks or corals. It also has several spines on either side of its body, and it can move quickly if required to defend itself or to get into a position for hunting prey. They are carnivorous creatures that feed on mollusks, crustaceans, and even other fish. Their venomous spines are used purely for defense rather than attack. When a human comes into contact with stonefish venom, the result is often excruciating pain. The pain will start within 1 to 2 hours of being stung, and it can last for up to 2 weeks. It will cause the nervous system to become extremely sensitive to stimuli. This can result in sensations of prickling, stinging, and burning. After some time, the victim will begin to feel numbness and start to lose feeling in their affected limb. If left untreated, this can spread to the entire body. While this pain may not kill the victim, it can leave them in great discomfort and unable to do everyday tasks such as driving or working. Number 4. Titan Triggerfish. This dangerous fish is a species of triggerfish that lives in the Pacific Ocean off South America. The Titan triggerfish moves sideways by using its tail, like other members of its family, and eats benthic invertebrates, including sea urchins, mollusks, crustaceans, and feather stars. The Titan's most notable feature is its massive size, up to 2 feet wide and 3 feet long. This fish has a great sense of smell, making them excellent hunters. It is generally safe for humans, however, they have been known to attack human divers when provoked, especially if that diver stinks from eating certain types of food or by wearing a particular cologne. They have been known to attack divers as far as 60 feet below the surface of the sea. The bites of a Titan triggerfish are extremely painful. Some divers have reported feeling like their bones were on fire after being bit, or feeling like they were being stabbed with a knife. Number 3. Flower urchin. Flower urchins are found in the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean, and can be seen in shallow water near the shore. They vary in color, but they typically have shades of purple, red, or orange. They also have a spiny exterior, and so it is difficult for predators to eat them. Flower urchins have a tube-shaped body with 5 long, thin arms extending from it. They use these arms to move around and to collect food. The arms are also covered in spines, which help the urchin to move around and protect it from predators. It is considered highly dangerous, and it is capable of causing extremely painful and medically significant stings when touched. Their spines are very fine, strong, and sharp enough to puncture the tires of a car and also break the glass, so it is important to be careful when around these creatures. They are not easy to spot in the water, so it is difficult to prevent human injuries. However, if you are careful and look out for them when swimming in the ocean, you can avoid these spiky creatures. Number 2. Blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus is very small, usually about 6 inches in length when fully grown, and usually yellow with dark blue circles on it. They come from the waters of Southeast Asia, but they can be found anywhere there are lots of coral reefs. This octopus spent most of its days hiding under rocks in the reef and preys mainly on small crabs. It will also eat small fish, but it prefers to attack crustaceans. According to local myth, anyone who is bitten by a blue-ringed octopus dies within 4 minutes. That's not true, of course. In actuality, you have about 6 hours before you expire from the venom of the blue-ringed octopus. The blue ring's venom is a very deadly neurotoxin, and a small amount of it can kill 20 adults. There is no known antidote to the venom, and there's really nothing you can do once you've been bitten by one of these octopi. Just try to seek immediate medical attention, and quick interventions may save your life. Is that not the octopi you would want to kill you? It's just trying to defend itself from a threat. I mean, look at it. It's adorable. Number 1. Box jellyfish. This beautiful creature has a smooth, transparent body with external parts that look like crystals. Its venom can cause permanent blindness in humans, and its sting can kill a human within minutes. These jellyfish have up to 60 tentacles that are each 4 meters long, and the venom is filled with toxins that attack the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. Despite their deadly nature, they are a beautiful sight, and they can measure up to 2 meters in length. So that's why they are not easy to avoid, but it is important to know their habits. They are most active at night, so swimming during the day is the best way to avoid them. Their venom is extremely potent, and there is no anti-venom available. The first symptom of a jellyfish sting is a short and intense pain that spreads over the entire area where the tentacle makes contact with the skin. The pain can last for about 40 minutes, but may feel like it lasts hours. If you are stung, you need to seek medical help immediately, as the venom can cause heart failure and death. So, if you are ever in the waters where these creatures live, be very careful and aware of your surroundings. Which ocean creature scared you the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notification on so you won't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time!